Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right inside Settings, so open General and head to Keyboard now. Tap Keyboards, then add New Keyboard. This is where you tell iPad to include emojis. Choose Emoji from the list. Once added, it appears in your keyboard list and you can reorder or remove it. Make sure your iPad is unlocked and you're signed into the primary user account because keyboards sync with your device profile. Once done, you've completed the first actionable step toward typing emojis anywhere. Now you'll practice switching to the emoji keyboard inside any app that accepts text. Tap the globe or smile icon next to the spacebar to cycle keyboards. You can also press and hold the globe to pick emoji directly. Once visible, swipe across category tabs or tap the magnifying glass to search for an emoji by keyword. Remember why this matters. Quick access speeds up messages and adds tone, so test a few so you get comfortable with placement and category layout on your iPad. Finish by customizing and handling common problems. Reorder keyboards in Settings, right arrow keyboard to make emoji first, or remove extras you don't use. If emoji don't appear, toggle the emoji keyboard off and on, force close the app, or restart your iPad to refresh system services. Make sure iPad OS is up to date, because updates fix emoji sets and search behavior. If issues persist, sign out of iCloud, sign back in, and check again. This often clears sync glitches and restores emoji functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.